Hi guys, Vladimir is here, Melbourne Decking and Landscaping, and today I want to show you and explain how to install a starter clip. This starter clip is used for very first board. Okay, so guys, as a sample today we're using a 90-45 3-point joists, and they are usually positioned at about 350 to 400 centers for the composite decking. So here I just put it for 350 because it's more convenient for me, not too far. This video is about the starter clip. This is called a standard starter clip. So it is used usually for the very first board. So imagine you have a wall here and these are your joists. So just for the very first board, we're going to use the starter clips. You mark the line where you want to have the first board to be positioned at certain distance, and then you locate the starter clips on that line. And then we're using a 40 mil stainless steel screws with a T15 head, and this is a T15 driver. So we're just going to drive it in, and then you hold it with your hand. Don't over tight it, make sure it is in the right position, and then one more click. The same thing here, so make sure it is on your line where you want it to be. Always double check, put a screw in. I have not pre-drilled the screws because they are good. Okay, so these are the starter clips. Now they are installed. You can make sure they are in line, and that's your first composite decking board. Just goes in and clicks in. So that goes in like that and like that. You can have a look from the back, and that's your basically first clip, starter clips installed. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, whatever, and let's go.